So here's the Dodge. I'm gonna do a walk around. I got actually an infrared laser to scan it for you, so that way we can show you that it's cold as hell. There's the unlock button here. So I'm gonna pump the hood so I can show you the temperature of the block right quick. So here's the manifold, 60 degrees. I'm going to do one of the block itself. Actually, I'm doing one of the headers. That would be definitely tight. So here's the headers right there. 55 degrees. The headers would not be that. I'll actually do the turbo. Ready? I'll do the turbo. 57 degrees. So manifold, 54 degrees. Alright, so hopefully that proves it to you. Cold, ice cold start. Let me put this right here. Jump up in this beast. Okay. Let the key warm up for a second. There's the warm up button. Warm up a little light. And turn this down and start. Ice cold start. And you can see the needle is literally buried way past the cold line right here. I'm not going to rev it up. You never want to rev up a vehicle as soon as you start it up. That's the worst thing to do. So just to let you know my gun works. Watch this. That's pretty hot. 119 degrees right there. Woo! So let me show you around. The windows work good. Automatic windows. Got a little adjustable button. Let me go underneath the truck for you. I'll show you. There's the underside of it. There's the underside of here. You can see where easily a lot of damage would be, but there's not. It's in great shape. You can see my reflection. Ready? There's the underside. Backside, fifth wheel, as you saw in the other video, fifth B&W hitch on it. Here's the back bumper. There's that. That's the other side. Alright. There's the inside of the fenders. No rust at all. Super clean, just nice metal. There's the underside of it, you can see my reflection. It's just a great truck. I'm in love with it. It's really nice. The front lower part of the bumper, the front shroud right here. There's all the bolts. The lower side of that, behind the tire. There's the other side over here. Bottom of the oil pan, the transmission pan. The back side of it. There's the door jambs. You got a little few scratches here. Alright, same with the other side. There's some stains on the carpet you can see right here. Okay. Some stains right there from where the factory piece used to be, but there's an amplifier there now. There's the seats right here. A little bit of stain right there you can see, okay? But usually a lot of people, what they do is they'll get WeatherTech floor mats that cover the whole base of this. You can get it tan, black, and also we save about 20% off on all WeatherTech floor mats, so you can get them for like 20% off of retail from us. Door jam's nice. No rust behind the little plastic. So this is where I was telling you, I think how the whole truck is repainted. You can kind of see the difference. And that's the only way I can tell. But they did a really good job on the paint. See? There's the driver's side door. A little bit of hate right here, okay? But that can be covered. You can get like skid plates or little plates that cover that up. There's the side of the door. No rust. A little bit of dirt. VIN number. And this isn't in, it's all really nice. There it is. Really smooth revving. And we'll put the thermometer on the header again just so you know I'm not lying. Now watch this, ready? 98 degrees warming up. Look at that manifold. 82 degrees on the turbo. 56 on the other side of the turbo, the exhaust side. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So there you have it, bud. Alright. Hope this works out for you. Hope you liked the video. Let me know.